Hello KonnectzIT family, welcome to KonnectzIT training videos. Today in this video I'll be explaining you about an app called PDF Co. So using PDF Co you can actually extract data from PDF. So basically you can perform all this action using PDF Co. So you can pass your document PDFs, you can use splitters, HTML to convert HTML to PDFs, basically PDF to JPG, and you can do a lot more things. You can generate barcodes using pdf.co, and also you can sign your documents and you can share the same signed document to like WhatsApp or any other app like email like this. So basically, using KonnectzIT, so you will be able to integrate pdf.co like signing or barcode generation, anything. So and also notify your user to using WhatsApp, something like this. So basically you can send a barcode using like WhatsApp template messages, WhatsApp cloud API. So using KonnectzIT integrated with PDF Pro integrated with KonnectzIT. So first I will go to app section. So for authorizing pdf.co inside KonnectzIT, so search for pdf.co app and click on the app, click on add account. So this will ask you for API key. So once you log into pdf.co account, so you will be able to see your viewer API key. So just need to copy that and come to KonnectzIT and just paste the PDF key and click on send continue. So this will going to authorize your app pdf.co inside KonnectzIT. That's it, like as easy as like this. So now let's build our workflow. So for that I will be clicking on create connect. So basically building a workflow, so getting a data from any lead ad form. So I'm gonna use Zoho form in this case. So you can use any lead form basically, so like in your website, on your website, or maybe basically you can use any lead generation forms. So I'm just going to take a Zoho form or even Facebook lead ads as well. So now I will be using pdf.co to generate any PDF document. So basically I'm just adding a security. In this use case I'm gonna add a security, secure my PDF and send via like email. So basically you can use any notifications app. So right now I'm just using Gmail. So you can use any other apps to send an email, or maybe you can use WhatsApp to send a WhatsApp message as well. So now let's build our use case. So first search for Zoho app and place our trigger. So I'll just use Zoho forms. So whenever there is a new form submitted as my trigger, copy the webhook URL and based on the instructions provided here, so I'm going to place my webhooks. So let me go to Zoho forms. So under Zoho forms, so you have to click on the settings of the form which you will be selecting and make sure you select the integration tab and then select webhooks. So basically we are just placing our webhooks. So just place the webhooks manually and click on save button. This will be successfully placing a webhook inside Zoho form. So now go to KonnectzIT and click on capture webhook response. This will enable KonnectzIT to capture the response from the form which we had given. So I'll just add my name and the company name and my email address and let the phone number be the same. So click on submit. So this will going to submit a response. So same will be captured inside KonnectzIT. Yes, now we captured the response successfully inside KonnectzIT. So now what I'm gonna use is pdf.co. So pdf.co, inside pdf.co we can perform, as I told before, so we can perform all these actions. So basically, so we can generate a barcode inside pdf.co, or we can even read the barcode over here. So basically we can split the PDF, or we can merge PDF, or maybe like we can get a PDF file informations or convert anything HTML or like image into PDF and search some text inside PDF. That is also possible using all, like basically you can perform all these actions. So you can add PDF security. That is something I will gonna show you now in this particular use case. So similarly you can perform all these actions which has been given over here. So PDF filler is used to sign your PDF documentation, which is very helpful. You can sign the document and you can notify your user via WhatsApp or like any Gmail or any notification tool. So now I'm going to use a PDF security. So add PDF security. Basically I'm just taking a PDF and adding a security to send to any user who actually fills a form. So something like that. You can do it for any contract, or if you're signing, like if you're sending any important document, you can add a security and share it to your users. So just I will be doing that. So encryption algorithm, all these things are optional. So if you want any particular optional thing, you can just select that, or else you can just leave it like that. And basically, so I will be using the URL. So basically I'm just going to take any random free PDF here, so just for demo purpose, and add a URL in your case. So you can just share your own URL actually. And also, like I just given the user password as their company name, so that the user should be aware of that is the password will be used for to open the documentation. So now let me go ahead and it on test and review. So this will basically give me a secured documentation link. So something like this, the URL will be present here. So we can select and use it for our further integration. So I just got the URL. So now I'm gonna use text formatter inside KonnectzIT. So before sending any email, so now I'll be using an option called merge, and then I already have a document, so which is having this particular email. So I'm gonna use this documentation. So I'll be using the name, connecting the name over here, and the PDF documentation, PDF secured PDF which we generated using pdf.co. Here I'll be selecting the name. So basically it says I@name. So please find the ebook attached, use this password. So I need the password as well. So basically I will just connect the password to. So now I can select that password and the URL, so which we generated from pdf.co. So basically I am just telling that I@name, and I am just telling, so this is please find the ebook, and I am giving their password and the URL to open in the email. So now let me go ahead and validate. Yes, our text formatter is successfully validated. So now I will be sending them an email. So you can either send WhatsApp or any other notification tool. So I'm gonna use Gmail to send a notification. Select my account, select the action as send email, and make sure I select the content type as HTML, because I'm just using HTML content here. And now I will just give that to my body template, and then give my email from Zoho form to, and then just say the subject line as KonnectzIT ebook, something like this. So now we are ready with our use case. So I'll go ahead and hit on test and review. So this will going to send an email to the user. So for this I'll just go to my email. Yes, you can see that. So I just received an email with the subject line as KonnectzIT ebook, and it says I@, like that is my name, Rakesh Mahesh. Please find the ebook attached, use your password given below to open the document. So password is given here. So I'll just gonna copy that password and just click here to open the PDF. So basically a PDF will be opened, but it will ask me for security, so basically a password. So for that I need to paste the password which I got it in my email. So you can see that it is asking for my password. So basically it is requesting a password. So now I'm gonna click on submit, so it will gonna open my documentation. So this is how you can secure your PDF, like any contract or anything, basically doing an automation using pdf.co. There are a lot of use cases you can do. So let me go ahead and publish my connect, and I'm gonna send another user, like basically, you know, like the same. I'm gonna fill and show how actually, let us test this connect and how it actually works. So now let's go to Zoho form. So add another response. So in this case I'm gonna use a name, John Doe, John Company. So and email, I'll be using the same email just to show the demo. So just click on submit. So now we've done our, you know, send a documentation using Zoho form. So basically, as per our use case, so when whoever fills a form inside Zoho forms, a PDF link will be generated with the secured access, and an email will be sent via Gmail. So let's go to Gmail. As we received the email, so you can see that, so it says the subject line as KonnectzIT ebook, and it says John Doe, John Doe, like please find the ebook attached, and it says the password as John Company. So that is what something we had given. So now let us click on the PDF again. So it will open the PDF and ask for a pop-up. So now let's type John Doe's. So yes, you can see that it is working perfectly fine. So this is how you can, you know, secure your PDF using pdf.co and automate using KonnectzIT. Thanks guys. If you have any questions on this particular integration, do drop on the comment section below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.